Okay, so this is our cabin, which is a balcony cabin on Wonder of the Seas. We are in cabin 280 on deck 10. So let me go in and show you what we've got here. Okay, so as we come into the room, very different configuration to what we've had before. So let me just take you, come straight into the bedroom. So let me show you the cabin. So first of all, as you come in, lovely big long mirror. So for all those nice chic nights and formal nights, you can look at yourself before you go out. Put the final touches there. Right, as we move around, first impressions is that yeah, it's just like clean. It's very bright, very modular. That's how I'd explain it, but not bad. You know, there's a lot of space in here, lots and lots of space. So right, so as we come into the front here, you've got your card where you put your card in for the lights. You've got light switch, and you've got this other bathroom here. Now, looking at it from this angle, it makes it look really, really small, but it's like an Aladdin's cave. If you open it, it actually goes quite, you know, it does go in. It's not the biggest bathroom that we've had, but it's fully functional. So you've got your shower here. There we go. Nice thing, no shower curtain. So, but lovely. I noticed that a lot of cruise ships are doing these kind of roundish showers, so there is quite a bit of space here. There's sort of the bar there, so I think women can sort of shave their legs. Nice big shower, fluffy approved, and yeah, quite big, absolutely quite big. Don't know how it's going to go with this door here, if we're going to have a bit of banging, but I think it should be fine. Right, as we come around here, toilets there. You've got a trash can, or sorry, a bin there. I think this is really nice, actually. This kind of motif along here just makes it a little bit, just elevates it a little bit. Just a small kind of sink as well, not bad. You've got under here, you've got your towels, some toilet paper. You've got a little bit of space for all your lotions and potions up here as well. They've given us some glasses. I suppose it's for your toothbrush, and a nice, a big mirror. Lovely. Spinning around is just sort of a couple of towel racks like that. So yeah, quite functional. The only thing I've noticed is the floor is a bit sort of, I can't explain it. It's kind of a bit bloop, 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 walking on the moon. As we spin around into the cabin here, you have one wardrobe here. So you've got a bit of hanging space there, which is nice. There's some shelves, and you've got a tiny safe. And like most cruise ships these days, you probably get an iPad in there. Not massive, but it's enough. Got two drawers down the bottom here. Quite deep. Actually, they're actually quite good sized deep drawers, which is really good to have. There you go. And then coming over here, we've got a table with some, just like a nightstand, and just a little bit of space there. I'm just having a quick look. So power next to the bed. We've got our phone here. We've actually got the power on the lamp. So you've got your US socket here. Sorry, just let me turn that on. So you've got US socket, and you've got your USB, which is great because I like to charge my phone right next to the bed. This is the light switch to turn the light on and off. The bed head is this nice sort of leatherette sort of decor, which is quite nice. It's quite sort of muted, which is nice. The bed looks amazing. 3 pillows, which is great because Tristan and I sleep with multiple pillows. To have that many pillows on your bed is just amazing because we usually have to ask for more. The bed is the rounded sort of bed, and I think sometimes it's good to have this rounded curved bed because it just gives you a little bit more space to walk around the bed. This is interesting here. So it looks as though the coat hooks, I think these are coat hooks, are sort of quite low. It's just, I don't know, just really weird. TVs here, lovely big TV, really big TV. The only thing is, it doesn't move. So if you have your lounge room, which is over here, we've got it converted as Josh's bed. You can't really sort of swivel the TV, so you have to be in bed for that. On the other side, once again, you've got your power. So you've got your USB there, and you've got your American switch. You've got sort of a bit of a side table and another wardrobe, which is great. Now this wardrobe is like your full length wardrobe. So if you've got suits, dresses, anything like that, you can actually fit them in here. There we go. Let's move around into the rest of the cabin. So this usually is going to be your sofa, but Josh, because we've got Josh, it has been turned into a bed, but it actually looks quite decent, you know, as a bed and also as a sofa as well. If we have a look, not, you know, a massive desk space, which is fine though, because do you really need it? We just sort of have clutter on there anyway. You will see that there is a variety of different power sources here. European, you've got American, European, you've got USBs here, light switches, and a couple of more American. So look, power in this place is fantastic. It looks a little bit IKEA-ish. No, I shouldn't say that, but yeah, just kind of looks like flat module sort of furniture, but it's functional, it's fine. Love this blue chair. That's great. That's the only other chair in here apart from what would be your sofa. And then you've got some drawer space here. So we've got our big drawer here. This will probably end up being our odds and sods drawer. And you've got the hairdryer in here, which is great. Just some additional drawers, nice and deep, which is great. That's probably where we'll put some of our clothes. There we go. And then as we come in here, we can see that the mini fridge is here. So mini fridge has got nothing in it. Great to have because I like to store my own drinks in there. But yeah, not bad. One thing I did notice is that on a lot of cruise ships, you tend to get sort of somewhere where you can put all your literature or something. And I find that there's nothing really here. It's just like this glass kind of bench here. So if you've got all your kind of bits and pieces and bobs and, you know, your cards or your shore excursions, so there's nowhere really to put them except on the bench or in a drawer. Swiveling around, you've got some nice kind of curtains here. You've got some nice artwork on the wall here, which is nice. Lady in some flowers. So let me just pan around. It is a decent sized room though. One thing that gets me is it's very light. But yeah, not bad. So as we go out here, we then head out onto the balcony. So let me just see, the door is open. And we're joined by Joshua and Tristan. And they're just lounging here on the balcony. So
I was commenting on how this would have been an absolutely amazing view for the rocket launch tomorrow.
Oh, that's true. There was a rocket launch here yesterday, and yeah, we can see.
We were doing absolutely fantastic.
Just over there, we're doing fantastic.
But never mind.
So what do we get out here? So let's have a quick look. It's a decent enough balcony.
It's a deep balcony.
It is a deep
And
balcony.
you get a table, 2 chairs, and 2 little leg chairs. Mine's under here. Right?
Oh, so you get 2 leg chairs as well.
Yeah, so you can really properly
Nice.
And they do recline, so recliners.
Excellent.
Which is pretty good actually, I think.
Okay.
Lots of space.
And these, I suppose, are the dividers. And I suppose if you know people in like the next cabin, you can actually get that open and have an even bigger balcony as well. But one thing I do like, it's quite cool, isn't it? Because the balcony, the glass inside. So if you just have a look, you've got kind of, it's like a big circle.
It's like a porthole.
Like a porthole. It's quite cool.
That I did notice that there's no light out here, so at night time it's dark.
Yeah.
Not a problem, but if you do like to sit out
Yeah.
and have the light on and stuff.
True. Josh, can you recline nicely in that as well? Here he goes, let's see.
No, Josh, no, he'll take his arm off.
Oh, okay.
You've got to adjust the back and like drop the
See.
thing down.
But yeah, nice decent cabin actually, to be quite honest. I'm quite happy. Very light, very bright, a lot of room.
It's luxurious, but nice and bright.
It's not, no. It's not the most luxurious, but it's functional. And I mean,
Yeah.
you know, it looks...
This is a nice balcony, nice and deep,
Yeah,
which is good.
yeah. Don't mind it. So that's our cabin tour. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, like, comment and share.